Looking to buy Miu Miu sunglasses? Our expert team shows you how to authenticate them easily. First, we'll start with the frame. Miu Miu uses quality materials that are different than poorer quality frames. Acetate will be polished, smooth, and shiny, while metal frames will be similar in quality, with the metal being durable and sleek. Next, look at the hinges. They will be made of metal and allow the frame to be smoothly folded and opened. The lenses are another important part, specifically the left lens. Authentic Miu Miu lenses feature a small logo detail on the corner. While it may be small, the lettering should be clean and readable. Now we'll be checking the temples. On most styles, this is where you'll find a logo. The official Miu Miu logo is very recognizable thanks to its lowercase lettering and unique font. Authentic lettering will have a small notched gap at the M and the U. Next, the internal temple arms. Here you'll see the serial number, a Made in Italy stamp, and the CE and UKCA seal. On the other arm, you'll see the model code, color code, and measurements. Some information could also be on the inner temple tip. With metal frames, you'll find these details along the temple tips. There will also be a logo on the adjustable nose pad. After checking the frame, we'll look at the packaging. Unless your sunglasses are a limited edition design, they will come in a light pink branded Miu Miu box. Inside the box, there will be either a velvet-lined hard case or a soft case. Select styles will have both cases. Next, check for the branded cleaning cloth, Miu Miu booklet, and Luxottica QR booklet, which you can scan to view the product's conformity declaration. Finally, be aware of the price. Miu Miu sunglasses are designer pieces, so if you find them new for under €150, double check that you're purchasing them from a verified reseller. Making sure that the pricing is logical will help you authenticate them better. How did the authenticity check go? If you have any questions, tell us in the comments and let us know what other brands you want to see.